How do I troubleshoot True Tone battery drain issues on my iPhone?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about a problem that can occur with your iPhone True Tone feature causing battery drain. We'll dive deep into how you can troubleshoot and resolve this issue so you can get back to enjoying your device without worrying about constant recharges.
What is True Tone?
True Tone is a feature on iPhones that automatically adjusts the white balance of your device's display to match the light around you. While this feature can enhance your visual experience, it may lead to increased battery consumption.
How do I know if True Tone is causing my battery drain?
If you've noticed a sudden decrease in your iPhone's battery life, it's essential to identify the cause. You can do this by going to Settings to Battery. Here you'll see a breakdown of what's using your battery. If the screen is taking up a significant percentage, and you have True Tone turned on, this feature could be contributing to the issue.
How to fix the issue?
Now let's move on to the main part: how to troubleshoot True Tone battery drain issues. Step 1. Turn off True Tone first. Try turning off True Tone to see if it alleviates the battery drain issue. Navigate to Settings to Display and Brightness to True Tone. Switch the toggle to the off position. Step 2. Restart your iPhone after turning off True Tone. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, a quick restart can solve minor software issues, including battery drain. Step 3. Monitor battery usage. Monitor your battery usage after turning off True Tone and restarting. If the battery performance improves, then True Tone was likely the cause. If not, the drain might be due to other issues such as outdated software, other intensive apps, or even a battery that needs replacing.
Preventing future battery drain.
To prevent this issue from happening in the future, consider only using True Tone in necessary situations. Also, always ensure that your iPhone is updated to the latest software, as updates often include fixes for known bugs and improvements to battery life. That wraps up our guide on troubleshooting True Tone battery drain issues on your iPhone. We hope these tips have been helpful. Remember, it's important to keep an eye on your battery usage to catch potential issues early. Happy troubleshooting and enjoy your iPhone experience!